What is up, friends? I figured we'd talk about how writing can help you live a more structured, anxiety free life. And for that, I'm going to use Jordan Peterson's self authoring program as an example. इसका जो self authoring program is basically, I like to call it concentrated free writing. Because अगर तुमने पढ़ा होगा, or if you even know about Jordan Peterson, it's basically a program where you sort of figure out what your life story is. Past के अंदर कौन से relevant events थे, traumatic and happy. Currently, what is your trajectory looking like? तुम अभी कहाँ पे हो? And future, where do you want to go, right? So you get all three of those together and you have a perfect circle what your life is looked like and will look like, right? Something like that. And all of the program is based on free writing, and then there's small sections where you have to think. So if you've been free writing regularly, based on the comments and DMs, I think at least 10 or 15% of you are. If you can invest in the program, I'd say do it. It's been a life changer for me, particularly because, I've bought my fair share of productivity journals. I've seen all goal setting devices and stuff. But mere liye nothing could beat the 20,000 word vomit that I called my 3-year plan. And I did it once, failed. मतलब मैं इसको ढंग से follow नहीं कर पाया. But I at least went from point zero, aimless, hopeless to better, अच्छी trajectory. Then I did it again after a year or so. At this point, I made a better plan because I become wiser as a result. The point is कि जब सब कुछ, when everything is failing, right, you at least can look back to your plan. अच्छा, और चीज़ें तो है नहीं, एटलीस्ट इन चीज़ों पे मैं अभी भी काम कर सकता हूँ, काम कर सकती हूँ. देयर इज दैट होप, दैट it becomes like a boy for your boat कि you no matter how deep you sink into the water, you come back up again because you have a plan. Even if it's a bad plan, right? It is a plan. कि चल आज और भी कुछ नहीं, the entire day is free. At least I can work on that goal that I foresee happening to me, or I want to happen to me in the next 6 months or so, right? So if you can afford it, please get it. It's very, very effective. But if you can't, there's an exercise in it that I think is highly useful. It's the heaven and hell exercise, which basically marks the future authoring part of the program. क्योंकि मैंने future authoring ही करा है, current authoring पहले करा था, past I've done somewhat. But future authoring is a very effective exercise, and the exercise is heaven and hell. What it does is कि define what an ideal future looks like. 6 महीने, 1 साल, 2 साल के अंदर की दोस्त इस तरह के, रिलेशनशिप्स इस तरह के, माँ बाप के साथ इस तरह के रिलेशन, यहाँ मैं रह रहा हूँ या रह रही हूँ. दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन I'm gaining from my work. This is how much I'm meditating, so on and so forth. Whatever your ideal future is, if you don't know what that is, writing down will help you understand कि मेरा ideal future लगता भी कैसा है, right? Otherwise, you're just a bunch of disconcerted whims and fragments, and you have no idea who you actually are. So it'll help you form a complete, even though inaccurate picture, because a complete inaccurate picture is better than a fragmented, disproportionately inaccurate picture, if you know what I mean, right? So the heaven part will take care of the ideal that you want to chase, and you find that by writing, right? So that gives you structure, something to chase कि यार, there is hope. This is a reason to wake up for. क्योंकि मेरे को वो सारी चीजें करनी है, वो करना है, right? This is the sort of man I want to be, this sort of woman I want to be, right? And then there's the hell part, right? तुम्हारी जो सबसे worst आदतें हैं, your vices. Everyone has personal demons. I don't need to specify them in detail. You know what personal demons you contain, right? And we've been doing a fair bit of free writing, so I think you've become more familiar with तुम किस तरह के monster हो. So then the hell part is where you define what would happen if for the next 6 months or a year, all my worst habits, my demons, get compound interest over time. वो कैसे लगेंगे? What would that look? If that compounds, अगर वो एक snowball बन गया, वो कैसे लगेगा? That becomes hell. And if you are living in hell right now, you know exactly what I mean, right? What you feared, जो तुम्हारा सबसे disproportionate level का fear है, तुम्हारी worst आदतों, like if everything fucks up in your life, what would that look like, right? And that is going to cause fear. I love the idea of people saying there is hope, there's no need to fear. But they forget that fear is also a strong motivator. Yeah, Peterson, the example that he uses is like, you have a rat, right? Rat is right here. And then if you have the smell of cheese, right? It's like it's motivated to go eat. अगर वो कुछ खाएगा, it's going to get better, right? अभी he's unsatiated, then he's satiated. But on the other hand, you have the smell of a cat, और एक cat यहीं पे है. So idhar iski फट रही है. So if he stays stagnant right here, he's going to get eaten by the cat, right? He has to go to the cheese. So there's something that's behind him, that's chasing him, that can kill him. And there's something that he's getting to that can help him, save him, heal him, right? That becomes the idea of the heaven and the hell, right? Or the idea hai Swarg, Patal Loka, it also stems from there, right? I think they're figments of human imagination. The best things possible that a mind can conjure up, all in heaven. The worst things possible, all in hell. And so the idea is कि basically just like you free write, right? जैसे तुम free write करते हो, पहले वाली videos नहीं देखी, देख लो. How to do free writing, they're in the description. You start free writing. और इसके अंदर, I'd say don't give yourself a limit. Time yourself, brother, कि मैं 8 minute के लिए. This is me saying it. I don't have psychological degrees or I don't have like a psychological backing. So take it with a grain of salt. But 8 minute के लिए, I will write about what do I want my life to look like, right? And then for 8 minutes, I will write about what sort of life do I not want to have, right? और उससे होगा ये कि after you write it, you're like, okay, great, fine, still the same person. But then every once in a while, where everything falls apart in your life, you at least have that कि यार चलो, क्योंकि जो प्रोग्राम है, जो सेल्फ ऑथरिंग प्रोग्राम है, इट्स अ मैसिव प्रोग्राम, टेक्स आवर्स टू कंप्लीट, वे बेटर. अगर वो नहीं कर सकते तो जस्ट डिफाइनिंग what hell and heaven look like for you will give you a good start. It has for me as well. I know people who've done it. It just puts you in a better place to understand what your demons are and what your angels are, something like that. Okay? If you like this video, if you understand this concept, let me know in the comments. And of course, subscribe and see you tomorrow.